we've also shown more robust improvements in brain metabolism and equivalence in raising something called the attention network test in two separate studies after 24-hour sleep debt head to head against caffeine. Basically, hydrogen was equivalent to caffeine in improving the attention network test, but they affected different domains of attention. Caffeine predominantly affects something called alerting, and hydrogen was shown to predominantly affect something called orienting. And this gets into the experiential difference because hydrogen isn't stimulant. When you take it when you're really tired, say you're jet lagged or you indulged the night before, didn't get enough sleep, you get clarity. So you don't feel high and jittery and full of energy. You just feel normal. Again, it normalizes you, which again brings us back to how hydrogen kind of regulates our response to stress and brings us back to harmony, brings us back to homeostasis. So that was interesting. And the professors ended up doing a second study, which was four groups, right? So it was placebo, caffeine, placebo, hydrogen plus placebo, or hydrogen and caffeine. And it found that hydrogen actually had a more robust effect and improvement on brain metabolism than the caffeine. And finally, we showed improvements in brain metabolism in a otherwise healthy, overweight population. So gave them more energy. And interesting on that, they did a secondary analysis on that study uh, and found that the hydrogen regulated some of the brain chemistry involved with satiety, which could also be leading to the weight loss. But there's more to that study too. We saw improvements in gut health and improved short chain fatty acids and reduced calprotectin.